Hello to everyone. My name is Parul and today I am going to discuss about the topic trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So let's start. For this, consider a right triangle ABC with angle B is equals to 90 degree. So recall that two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is equals to 90 degree. So in triangle ABC, we have angle A and angle C are complementary angles. That is, angle A plus angle C is equals to 90 degree. From this, we can also write C is equals to 90 degree minus A. That is, angle C is equals to 90 degree minus A. Now we will find the trigonometric ratios one by one for angle A. For angle A, this is the perpendicular, this is the base, and AC is the hypotenuse. So sine A, which is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, is equals to BC upon AC. Cos A, which is equals to base upon hypotenuse, is equals to AB upon AC. And tan A, which is equals to perpendicular upon base, is equals to BC upon AB. And cosec A, sec A and cot A are the reciprocal of sin A, cos A, tan A respectively. So cosec A is equals to AC upon BC, sec A is equals to AC upon AB, and cot A equals to AB upon BC. And let these equation as equation 1. Now let us write trigonometric ratios for angle C. For angle C, AB will be the perpendicular, BC will be the base, and AC will be the hypotenuse. For angle C, which is equals to 90 degree minus angle A, or we can write C is equals to 90 degree minus A. So sin C, or we can write sin 90 degree minus A is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and here perpendicular is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Cos C equals to cos 90 degree minus A is equals to base upon hypotenuse, here base is BC and hypotenuse is AC. And tan C equals to tan 90 degree minus A is equals to perpendicular upon base, perpendicular is AB and base is BC. And we already know that cosec, sec and cot are reciprocal of sin, cos, tan respectively. So cosec 90 degree minus A is equals to AC upon AB, sec 90 degree minus A is equals to AC upon BC, and cot 90 degree minus A is equals to BC upon AB. And let all these equation as equation 2. So from this we can find out that RHS of some equations of first and second are equal, like sin A is equals to BC upon AC and cos 90 degree minus A is equals to BC upon AC. So sin A is equals to cos 90 degree minus A, and cos A is equals to AB upon AC is equals to sin 90 degree minus A is equals to AB upon AC. So cos A is equals to sin 90 degree minus A, and tan A is equals to BC upon AB, and cot 90 degree minus A is equals to BC upon AB. So they both are equal. So tan A is equals to cot 90 degree minus A. Cosec A is equals to AC upon BC, and sec 90 degree minus A is equals to AC upon BC. So cosec A is equals to sec 90 degree minus A, and sec A is equals to AC upon AB, and cosec 90 degree minus A is equals to AC upon AB. So sec A is equals to cosec 90 degree minus A. And last, cot A is equals to AB upon BC, and tan 90 degree minus A is equals to AB upon BC. So cot A is equals to tan 90 degree minus A. So these are the formulas for trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. This will help you in your higher classes too. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Make sure you have subscribed my channel. Till then, take care and see you in my next video.